From Aliexpress, I received a new model and it's called PAM8403. It's an audio mini digital power amplifier 2x by 3 watts stereo class D audio amplifier model 5-volt power. That it says on the title, and this model is 0.18 cents. That is the cheapest model that I found on Aliexpress, and I ordered a couple of them. Here are they. Let's open the box now. One PC is 0.80 cents. If you order two, 0.28 cents. 5 pieces that I order is 0.58 cents, and 10 pieces are $1.80. That is a great deal. I ordered 5 pieces. Also on the link you can see that the board is 21mm by 18mm, and also you have a circuit diagram how to connect the speakers, where go the power of 5 volts and where is the audio input, which is nice. Let me explain. On these points you solder positive and negative wire from the power supply. These 3 points are left, right and the ground for audio input, and here we have left and right output. It's marked with positive sign and negative sign, so you can't make a mistake. Okay, it's a tiny board, it's a tiny amplifier for making small projects. Okay, I got the amplifier. Now I'm gonna use my Bluetooth audio receiver that works with Type-C power, and this is my model that I show to you a couple of videos before. You can find this video in my link in description below, and don't forget to like and share this video also. Thank you. Let me continue. This is the audio receiver, Bluetooth audio receiver that will receive the audio from the phone, and audio output from this model will go to the amplifier. Also I'm gonna take 5 volts from this model because this is Type-C, and I'm gonna attach on this model the 2 small speakers that I have it right here. So we have a receiver and we have an amplifier. Let's connect everything. Okay, I solder the 3 wires that are audio input for the amplifier coming from the Bluetooth audio receiver. 3 wires, left, right and ground. Also I'm taking 5 volts from the audio receiver, 5 volts. There are points right there. Some of you in the comments says that those are for 5 volts, and yes, that is true. Also I'm gonna connect the power. Come on man, work with me. It's ground, now the positive. Okay, it's connected. Everything is connected. I have left and right speaker soldered on the points on the mini amplifier here and here. Also I connect the audio input from the Bluetooth audio receiver and taking 5 volts from there going to the amplifier. I'm gonna plug in right now.
Bluetooth mode.
Working. Alright. Now I'm gonna connect my phone. Turning on the Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Good. Everything is good. Let's play some music. Pretty good and clear sound. It's not very powerful, but it's nice. 2 times by 3 watts. PAM8403 model. Just to prove that this is not a fake. Pause. Play. Turn up. Alright. This is the Bluetooth audio receiver that is receiving the audio from the phone, giving the audio output to the amplifier, and from here to the speakers. $1 for the audio receiver and 0.18 cents for the amplifier. That is a great deal. I hope you liked today's video. Please leave a like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you and see ya!